Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jeet Sinha and in today's video we are going to discuss elements of crime. So we will discuss all the elements of crime which are useful for constitute an offense. So first, moving to mens rea and actus reus. So there is a maxim called actus non facit reum nisi mens sit rea. It means that there should be an overt act along with mens rea, along with guilty mind. So guilty act plus intention. So actus reus means an overt act and mens rea means guilty mind. All these two are essential for constituting an offense. If there is an overt act where intention is missing, then it is not an offense. For example, when a child kills someone with his gun, with his father's gun, or suppose with any harmful weapon without intention to causing injury, so the child will be not liable here because he doesn't have intention to kill the person. Similarly, if some person is hiding behind the bush and other person shoots at him without knowing that he is hiding there, then also he is not guilty of an offense because mens rea is missing there. If a person have with an intention kill someone, then it is an offense. Now moving to act should be voluntarily. So section 39 defines the term voluntarily. So we'll look what does section 39 state. So section 39 states voluntarily. A person is said to cause an effect voluntarily when he causes it by means whereby he intended to cause it, or by means which at the time of employing those means he knew or had reason to believe to be likely to cause it. So एक पर्सन को तब वॉलेंटरीली कोई एक्ट कहा जाता है जब उसे अपने एक्ट के टाइम ये पता होता है कि उसका कॉज क्या होगा, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, तब हम उसे वॉलेंटरीली एक्ट कहते हैं. तो अब जो आखिरी पॉइंट है, एक्ट शुड बी डन बाय अ पर्सन. सो सेक्शन 11 डिफाइंस अ पर्सन. So we'll look what a person is. The word person includes any company or association or body of a person, whether incorporated or not. So एक person के definition में एक company भी आती है, company, association या फिर body of a person भी आ सकते हैं, whether incorporated or not. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि companies act के अंदर incorporated हो या कोई body of person किसी भी के अंदर incorporated हो. और जो पर्सन है जिसमें एक नॉर्मल पर्सन भी आ सकता है पर्सन के डेफिनेशन में, जैसे कि आप हो गए, मैं हो गया, तो इस तरह पर्सन के डेफिनेशन में कोई भी आ सकता है. तो और उसके साथ साथ कंपनी, एसोसिएशन या फिर बॉडी ऑफ पर्सन, ग्रुप, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कुछ भी आ सकते हैं इसमें. तो ये थे 4 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ क्राइम. तो अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे कि क्या अटेम्प्ट, व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय अटेम्प्ट. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइज. बाय बाय, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.